Consumers expect to access a company's services 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, from everywhere and anywhere. Can your business rise to this digital challenge? Let's learn more from the experts at DC BLOX.
The need for digital infrastructure has never been higher than what it is today. The areas of artificial intelligence and machine learning that are embedded within almost every one of our products that we use, whether it's a cell phone, a tablet, a television screen, a computer, or any of the wearables or other things that you find in just your day-to-day life. These applications all require massive amount of data and massive amount of decision-making coming from data that is driven by the computers that are housed within data center facilities like we're sitting in today. Number one, we own, build, and operate the facilities that house the most critical applications of many of the things that people use day in and day out. The second thing we do is we provide fiber-based networks that connect our facilities together. So you have a seamless experience between our data centers and our fiber network that gives us a competitive advantage because we put in high-capacity conduit systems and dark fiber systems that link our most important customers and our facilities together. The third thing for what we do is we build cable landing stations that are positioned on the eastern seaboard of the United States that literally connect through subsea cables continents that power internet and applications for some of the largest companies in the world.
Serve locally, connect globally. That's the motto DC BLOX lives by.
We have a process that allows us to look at where populations are, where growth is in the local economies, to see where network traffic goes. And we meet people in the community and see if we can understand, look, this is not only a good place that the analytics tell us to be, this is a great community for us to be part of as well. Our connectivity and our data center brings other industry, brings other customers, brings other investment into the community. Having a data center is the cornerstone for evolving your digital economy or your digital businesses.
Most people are not aware of the digital infrastructure that they depend on every day. DC BLOX is.
Since day one, the focus of DC BLOX has been understanding how to build a home for digital infrastructure, recognizing that you need a place for the gear to live. And once that gear has its home, the world needs to have reliable, unfettered, bulletproof, high bandwidth, low latency access to that 24 hours a day. So 10 years ago, the vision that we were doodling on cocktail napkins was, how do we fuse those two things together? How do we build a concrete bunker that can withstand the storm and withstand the power outage? And when the gear is in there, how can we then offer that gear access to the world and the world access to that gear? So that's the business that DC BLOX is in, is building that digital ecosystem that provides reliability and continuity throughout.
DC BLOX looks at our markets, and we are part of that community. We hire local, we employ local contractors when we're building, and we find every way to invest in it. So when you think of serving locally, DC BLOX does that with our actions, not just our words. Now with our cable landing station, we're literally connecting the Southeast globally with our cable landing station, with our fiber networks, and really living out that vision of DC BLOX serves local and connects globally.
It's critical that your data is stored in a safe environment with robust connectivity and reliable cloud services.
I see more cable landing stations in our future because of the unique nature of what we've done here and the value that those customers see from that. I expect to see us connecting more data centers together with our dark fiber. You're going to see more of what we're doing today. More data center, big and small, and more fiber, connecting it all together.
Trust, teamwork, executing with tenacity, and doing so with transparency, those are the foundations of culture that really make DC BLOX special. We're the type of people, we've got the right culture, more importantly, we've got the right facilities that serve your needs and can serve those for decades to come. We're partners in the communities for which we operate, and our speed of execution and our ability to build on time and in budget is unparalleled in our industry.
For more information about DC BLOX, visit their website, dcblocks.com. And of course, visit our website, insidetheblueprint.com.